Hey guys, and good morning. So it is Saturday, August 8th, I think. I woke up super early today and then I couldn't fall back asleep, so I've been up for a while. It's 9:30 and I'm just in my garage and I'm going to do a quick workout. It's kind of a mess in here right now, but I'm just gonna work around it. Say hi.
Hi. Sorry, I'm interrupting your video.
I'm gonna like do my workout now. We're back. I need to post on my Instagram story. So I had a call with the video teacher at my school this morning and he wants me to edit a video to show to the freshman class during orientation. It's just a video to like encourage the incoming freshman class to just stick it out and it'll all get better. My teacher's kind of handling the staff part of it and I thought it would be a good idea to involve some of the students in it too, so it's not just like teachers being like, we got this guys, it's like other students of the school. I feel like it's more encouraging when there's someone that actually goes to the school. So I just put something on my Instagram story saying like I need like 25 to 30 people. I'm hoping I can get a good amount of people to respond to this. I have a couple already. If all else fails, I'll just like reach out to people I know individually, but I kind of want like a variety of people, not just like my close friends, so we'll see. We're gonna go to the store with Logan and try and find 21 balloons that we can use for school starting for like class of 2021 or whatever. I'm gonna go shower and get ready now.
Let's go though.
Say hey!
Oh my gosh, hey! What's up, guys? It's Logan!
Planet Misha's mukbang mukbang. We need to find 21 balloons.
21, not like 20.
Oh, right. Like 2-1. Hold on. Swallow. And then talk.
We got tenders, Chick-fil-A sauce.
Who likes tenders? Comment down below if you like tenders.
Tenders are so good.
Because they're disgusting.
Is this an annoying TikTok song?
You can skip it.
I'm just making sure my fingers aren't greasy. I guess you don't care.
I don't eat with my pinky.
True, like that's the only finger I'm not using.
I'm not using my ring finger
Oh
either.
yeah.
I use all my fingers.
Well, you also get the tenders, so. Okay, ready, set, go. It's the tenders for me.
You stole my own one for myself.
Your turn.
It's the bad music taste for me.
Okay, Miss Musical. It's the taste in musicals for me. Cancel Hamilton.
Whoa.
Abby.
That's too far.
You're gonna get canceled.
It's the intermittent fasting for me.
We really roasted each other hard.
Yeah.
Masks seriously are like a really like big catfish. Like everyone looks cute when they have a mask on.
So attractive.
Everyone
I think because like eyes are so attractive and like that's the only thing you see.
and like the whole face is covered up.
Aw, man.
And if they have good hair, then it's over. Like it's over with. Like I am in love
That's
with
true. Comment down below if you have this problem. I was walking in Target yesterday. I saw this one kid and I was like, oh, he looks like he'd be cute. And then I realized who it was, and I was like,
Who was it?
something. I saw his
Oh
eyes.
my God!
Then I realized who it was, and I was like,
Oh,
oh.
I know what you mean. Like,
That's bad.
Well, sorry, I didn't know who it was. Also, like, who am I gonna date at our school?
Yeah.
Comment down below if you go to my school and you wanna date me.
same here.
Same for me. Follow us on Instagram at Abby Robish, at Faith Robish.
And at Logan.pastor.
DM me.
Yeah.
Be like, I came from your video. Wait, I've been vlogging for 15 minutes.
Oh my
Okay,
gosh.
I'll vlog in Target. Oh wait. There's like nothing here. I'm getting over my fear of vlogging in public.
These are really
We
nice.
should get those.
Yeah.
Have solar balloons. Oh right. Well, they don't have balloons, but they have weights. We did it! We did it! Woo! We got these from Target like I showed. We went to Harris Teeter. The lady was so nice, so helpful, and she reserved the numbers for us, and we're just gonna pick them up the day before we need them. So we're all set now. We have everything we need. Let's just hope everything from Amazon actually comes and wasn't from a sketchy website.
We'll probably do something later.
Oh wait, yeah. It's 8:18 and Logan's gonna pick us up in a few minutes because we're going over to Catherine's to hang out tonight. You're so cute. No. We're at Catherine's now. Say hey, Catherine. And then Logan, can't see what I'm doing. And Jessica and Faith are here.
Oh, but you have to go look there.
Yeah, but it's like too hard. I can't do it.
Because I like sing myself. Wow, this is very nice quality.
Okay. If you could place one person behind bars immediately, who would it be?
Oh my gosh. You better believe that.
Yeah, bleep those.
The creator of Love Island.
Why does everyone hate on Love Island so much?
Oh, wow. That's.
Someone said you.
My favorite is,
Roll back to when I said I was gonna win this round.
If you started a secret society, what would you call it? Ooh, all this good content you guys are missing because I'm not in the game.
how red I look. Noah Neck Cult.
Noah.
Neck. I'm skinny, I'm winning, and all you are ugly. Oh, the third one is. The last one is Gen Z.
I think best.
Okay.
No!
What venue is ideal for a kid's birthday party?
Bounce you. Chuck E. Cheese. A club. And a One Direction concert. I hope she zooms in on that.
What one word best describes your life?
YOLO.
Oh, classic.
Juicy.
Ooh, okay.
Oof. Ugh.
My favorite is
They're all one
juicy. I think Faith put YOLO. You put juicy. You put oof and you put ugh.
Got mine
You
right.
got them all right.
But
Hi.
Oh, okay.
I'm kidding, not for long.
Pass it on. If you were put in a boxing ring knowing that you would defeat your opponent, who would you fight? Second. Oh. Next we have. And last we have Will Schuster.
Oh, Faith wins.
Yay!
I won. Abby lost. The question of the day is, what's your favorite color? Comment below.